panned. It's snowing. Guys, it's currently 2:48 a.m. in the morning, and I just woke up and made myself tea, and I'm eating some apples because I don't think I'll be able to eat before I go on this hike. And anyways, my friend said they're gonna come at 2:40, so I think now I'll wash my head and get ready. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. So I used this Lineage mist. I used this Beauty of Jocelyn sunscreen. I'm putting on quite a lot because it's gonna be super chilly out there, so my skin might get drier faster. The altitude is also gonna be quite higher, so I'm putting a lot more because I don't want to look flaky or like, you know, something like that later. Whatever the fuck that is. Now I'll pack the lunch because we're taking packed lunch, and it's supposed to be 12 hours hike, like including up and down. I mean, it's 6 hours hike up and 6 hours hike down, so I'm not sure about how my eyebrows turn out. Let's just hope everything goes well, and you know, hope for the best experience, because after all, we are all doing it for the experience. And yeah, bye. I'll see you guys once I'm ready. Guys, I can't decide between two pants. Which one should I wear? This one? Pant. I think I'm just gonna wear this pant. Like, who even gives a fuck? Oh guys, so my friends said they're on their way to pick me up, and right now I'm having this sneaker bar. Why is it not focusing? I don't know if it's healthy or not to eat sneaker bar at like 4:18 a.m, but I'm doing it anyway. And look at my hair. I don't know what I'll do. My makeup turned out pretty nice. I have a good day, me. Charlie so nimindu.
또 가위바위보.
Starting the hikes. Well, hike na Juni so excited to meet her. Who's has no.
Musi ale to tyle. Anzym sam pójdzie do tego.
Elsa çeçime darin.
Emotional, damn it!
Elsa from Timu. Oi. Şey dizi halam çi josh lalam zum pil ve maledi. First na di. O sante first na dera ma de na. Kazım de 1 2 3 ve.
얘기 시작했어. 나이나 돼.
Oh, Anna. Christmas tree. 아니 동안 사지 건너줬다고 네.
저 다시 동네 심정.
아우.
다시 나와줘. 먼저 가서 난.
Guys, it's 9 감시나치 in the morning and 하늘이
1 2. Meow meow.
매우 매우 매우
Meow meow meow. Askume. Wow. This feels nice, love it. Khâu thô mày xem chị mày nữa rồi. Ôi.
나 라면 저거 해봐.
Nana, it's snowing.
쟤는 이스키면서 더
아니 맨날 마시는 엘사 나고 아이스 스키에 더.
쟤도 또 얼었으면 더 메세. 나이기.
Anna cold.
플라베야. 이삐삐삐.
가끔 슈잡대. 아예 셋주노. 맛있는 쌤 보면 찍혀봐 점점.
아니 틱톡 저거.
Oh my god. Guys, I think we are finally here. We've been walking for 6 hours straight. Oh my. Yep. Yeah, she passed out.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
림 좋은 거 상게.
길래. 제일 고치 나와.
They look like tiny tree.
From that point on, the trail was completely covered in snow and we couldn't find our way. It wasn't just our group, there were another two group as well, but none of us could locate the correct path. So considering the situation, we thought it would be the safest to turn back. It was already around 2 p.m. and the place we were going to, it would take at least another 1.5 hours. The snow was falling quite heavily and quickly covering up the trail, making it harder to navigate the way. And also the downhill path was quite steep, and with the trail covered in snow, there were high risks of slipping and potentially falling down the hill. But hopefully none of that happened and we reached the base safely at around 5 p.m. That's all for today's vlog and thank you for watching.